Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Modern Beauty. My name is Amanda and today I'm going to be showing you an eye look that you can wear to any holiday party, gathering, or formal event this season. It's also very customizable, so you can just switch out some colors and you can wear it all year round for any formal event or party that you're going to. So stay tuned and let's get started. Taking a blending brush, this is the Morphe M433, I'm going to grab the color Smooth in the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette, and I'm going to take this into my crease and I'm going to blend it up towards my brow bone. If you have a hooded eye like I do, you're going to want to blend it a lot higher than someone who doesn't have a hooded eye is going to, just so that it can accentuate that shadow. Taking a crease brush, this is the Morphe M519, I'm going to grab the color Nell in the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette, and I'm going to take this and blend it into the color Smooth that we just laid down. This is going to be closer to the crease though, and I'm not going to blend it up as much because I still want that color Smooth to show through. Taking a pencil brush, this is the Morphe B42, I'm going to grab the color Lilo, which is a dark brown in the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette, and I am going to blend that directly into the crease. Because this is a pencil brush, it's more dense, so it's going to pack the color on much more pigmented and also much more controlled. And then I'm going to use the previous crease brush and blend that out. Taking your preferred concealer and a concealer brush, I'm using Mary Kay. I am taking the concealer and I'm going to cut my crease by putting the concealer all over the lid of my eye. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to bring that concealer up even more so that you can really see the definition and the contrast within the cut. You may find yourself needing to go back and forth with a pencil brush and the previous color Lilo, as well as the concealer, to help get a perfect line to kind of blend out some imperfections within your cut crease, and also to make sure that that line is defined. Then I am going to grab the color Smoldering Satin in the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and I am going to place this all on top of that concealer that we just laid down, and this is going to give some sparkle and shine. This is also where part of the customization comes in. You can use any colored glitter, and depending on the color, it'll give you more of a holiday vibe if you were to go with like a red glitter, or you could go with a rose gold glitter for New Year's, or really anything. It's totally up to you how you want to roll with it. Taking a bent liner brush, this is the Morphe 38E, and I'm going to use Onyx ShadowSense by SeneGence, and I'm going to line my upper lash line, giving it a winged look. Going back into that palette, I'm taking Abyss with the pencil brush, and I'm going to put that in my crease just to give it a little bit more contrast, and then I'm going to blend it out with the crease brush. Taking an eyeliner pencil, I'm using the Wet n Wild On Edge Longwearing eye pencil. I'm going to line my bottom waterline. Taking a liner brush, and this is the Morphe M432, I'm going to grab a Lilo and I'm going to buff that into my bottom lash line. Lastly, top off your look with some mascara and maybe even some falsies, depending on where you're going. And then your eyes are done. To enhance this look, I use the Flexitarian highlighter from ColourPop, as well as one layer of Mulled Wine LipSense, and then 2 layers of Crimson LipSense, and topped with a matte gloss. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can hit the like button down below. If you want to join the Mod Squad and get notifications of future videos, if you like this content, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You can also check me out on these other channels here. I have a lifestyle channel where I talk about everything and anything, and then I have also a vlog channel, a family channel over here. So feel free to check those out. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I loved getting to share this time with you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.